좋아해요. 좋아해요. What does this phrase mean? Today, on One Korean Word here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 좋아해요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 169. 좋아해요. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is 저, second syllable is a, the third syllable is 해, and the fourth syllable is 요. Pronounce it with me. 좋아해요. The word or phrase 좋아해요 simply means I like you, and it is often used by Koreans to confess their feelings to the person they like. How do we write 좋아해요 in Hangul? There are four syllables, and we will start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable 조 in Hangul, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an o character, followed by a hiut character. For the second syllable a, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong, followed by an a character. For the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hiut character, followed by the e character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong, followed by a yo character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables to form the Hangul of the word 좋아해요. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I like you. Again, I like you. The Korean translation of this sentence is 좋아해요. Again, it's 좋아해요. 좋아해요 is actually just a polite way of saying 좋아해. But take note that 좋아해요 is different from 좋아요. 좋아해요 means I like you, but 좋아요 is used to say I like it or it's good. They also have different root words. 좋아해요 came from the root word 좋아하다, while 좋아요 came from the root word JOHDA. The word JOHDA is already discussed on this channel, and if you want to know more about it, you can click on the link attached on the description. 좋아하다 is a verb which means to like someone, while JOHDA is a verb which means to be good. These two words may sound alike, but they have different meanings, and they are used differently in a sentence. Now, how do we transform 좋아하다 to 좋아해 or 좋아해요? If you would notice, there is this verb 하다 on 좋아하다, and we already know that the present tense form of 하다 is 해. Now we just have to add the 좋아 part at the beginning of each. So, the present tense form of 좋아하다 is actually 좋아해. Now, just like what we usually do to make it polite, we'll be adding 요 to 좋아해 to make it 좋아해요. Again, 좋아하다 is the root verb, 좋아해 is the present tense of 좋아하다, and 좋아해요 is the polite form of 좋아해. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word or the phrase 좋아해요 is simply I like you. And with that, you've just learned 좋아해요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 159 to 168. Don't forget, our word for today, word number 169 is 좋아해요, which is used to say, I like you. Word number 168 is 나도, which means me too. Word number 167 is 아기, and this is the Korean noun for a baby or a young human. Word number 166 is 오늘 또, which means today too. Word number 165 is 돌아와, which means come here or come back. Word number 164 is haru, and this is the Korean noun for day. Word number 163 is pabo. This is an adjective which means to be dumb or full. Word number 162 is pyeol, and this is the Korean noun for star. Word number 161 is yaksok, and this is the Korean noun for promise. Word number 160 is 영원히. This is an adverb of time which means forever. And the last for our review is word number 159, Hajima. This is the counterpart of but, which is used as a conjunction. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.